Good morning, good afternoon, students. Today we see another method of solving a non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so now see this one is this is a problem. Solve 2y minus x minus 1 dy minus 2x minus y plus 1 dx equal to 0. Okay, now in this case first we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, so dy by dx means take this term to LHS. Okay, then divide throughout by 2x minus y plus 1. So dy by dx is equal to 2x minus y plus 1 by 2y minus x minus 1. And then this is 2x minus y plus 1, take this equation 2x minus y plus 1, then take the second equation, that is minus x plus 2y minus 1. Okay, so here we write the xx one side, yy one side, and constant one side. Okay, the same equations we took here. This is the first equation 2x minus y plus 1, and this is we have taken minus x first, then plus 2y, then minus 1 equal to 0. Next, apply rule of cross multiplication. Okay, so first what we do, x, write x here divided by, now leave this column, then minus 1 into minus 1 becomes plus 1, then minus 2 into 1, that is 2, is equal to, next minus y divided by, next 2 into minus 1 minus 2, next minus 1 into minus 0 plus 2, and then this is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 2 4, then minus into minus plus minus 1. So which gives x value as 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. Why? Because x divided by, this is 1 minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to y divided by 2 minus 1, that is 1, and 1 divided by 4 minus 1, that is 3. So equating each term to this constant. So x by minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Similarly, y divided by 2 minus 1, that is 1. Y by 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3. Like that we calculate the x, small x and small y. Okay, so now put x is equal to capital X minus 1 by 3, capital X plus this value. Okay, now put small x is equal to capital X plus this value. So here this plus into minus becomes minus 1 by 3. Similarly, small y is equal to capital Y plus this value, small y value, that is 1 by 3. Okay, so then differentiating dy by dx, which is equal to, now first differentiate each term, dy, so which is capital dy, this is constant, so differentiation of constant is 0. So d of y is d capital Y. Then similarly dx, differentiate this with respect to x, then this gives what, dx is equal to d capital X, this constant is, differentiation of constant is 0. So dy by dx is equal to d capital Y by d capital X. Now afterwards, after having this one, now substitute this value, dy by dx is equal to d capital Y by dx, and small x is equal to this one, and small y is equal to this one in this equation, where here. So dy by dx becomes d capital Y by d capital X, and 2 into, in place of x we write x minus 1 by 3, in place of y, y plus 1 by 3. Similarly in the denominator, in place of y, y plus 3, in place of x, capital X minus 1 by 3, minus 1, and remaining things as it is. And after that we obtain this equation, okay. So next is dy by d capital X is equal to, now simplify this and we get 6x minus 3y divided by minus 3x plus 6y. Then dy by dx is again this becomes, taking 2 common, 3 common, so this becomes 2x minus capital Y divided by, here also we take 3 common, and 2y minus x, 3 get cancelled, and we obtain this equation. this is a homogeneous form, and the degree of each and every term is equal to 1. Next is we apply the homogeneous method. Okay, for homogeneous method what we do, here capital Y is there, put capital Y is equal to small v into x. Okay, small v into x. Now differentiating with respect to capital X, d capital Y by dx, because dy by dx is there, so which is equal to for v as it is, differentiation of capital X with respect to capital X is 1 plus capital X as it is. Okay, applying product rule, which is equal to dv by dx. Okay, capital X into dv by dx. Okay, here capital X should come, but capital X is not here, but actually it should be capital X into dv by dx, but here it is written correctly. Then dy by dx is equal to here v plus capital X into dv by dx, okay, is equal to 2x, next minus capital Y. So capital Y means it is vx, next 2 into capital Y is again vx, so vx minus this x as it is. Okay, apply homogeneous equation method. Homogeneous if it is a homogeneous function, what we do, we apply the method, put y is equal to vx, that's all. Okay, but there in place there we have a small x and small y, and here we have capital X and capital Y, that you should remember, and according to that you make the substitution. Or then we calculate x dv by dx from this, which is equal to, now here taking x common in the numerator and also in the denominator, x get cancelled, and 2 minus v divided by 2v minus 1, minus this v comes here, so it is minus v, then x into dv by dx equal to, next again taking LCM, so 2v minus 1 is LCM, then here 2v minus 1 is multiplied with this, so which gives 2v square minus v, and here minus minus becomes plus, so plus v minus v get cancelled. So after that we get this equation, that is 2 minus 2v square divided by 2v minus 1. So x into dv by dx is equal to 2 minus 2v square divided by 2v minus 1. Next we make separating the variables. So means we separate x capital X dx one side and v dv another side. Now in this case, this can be written as, here all v terms and dv terms should be taken one side. So here cross multiplying, so 2v minus 1 into dv divided by 2 minus 2v square. Okay, so all this v and dv terms taken one side. Next remaining, now this is capital D capital X, so cross multiplying this becomes d capital X by small x. Okay, so okay now which is equal to, now dx by capital X is equal to 2v minus 1 divided by 2 minus 2v square dv. Now integrating, so integration of dx by x is equal to, now in this case if you differentiate the denominator, again it gives minus 4v. Okay, so if you differentiate the denominator, it gives minus 4v. So here we don't get the numerator if you differentiate the denominator, right? So in this case what we do, integration of dx by x, which is equal to 1 by 2 into, now here we separate the terms, so a plus b divided by c can be written as a by c plus b by c, right? In the same way here 2v divided by 1 minus v square dv, next minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by 1 plus v square 1 minus v square dv plus integration constant log c, right? So here what we have done, integration of dx by x is equal to, this 1 by 2 is constant, into bracket we have separated, so 2v divided by 1 minus v square dv minus 1 by integration of 1 by 1 minus v square dv. So 1 by 2 which is applied to both, which is multiplied to both the terms, because it is applied to this whole term. So then this gives plus log c, and after that now integration of this dx by x is log x, log capital X, which is equal to, now in this case, now if you differentiate denominator, this gives minus 2v dv, but here 2v dv is there, minus is not there, so we can adjust minus. So divide and multiply by minus, so minus 1 by 2, and its integration is log 1 minus v square. Similarly here 1 by 2, and here integration of 1 divided by 1 minus x square differentiation is integration is log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So that is integration of 1 divided by 1 minus x square dx is log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So directly we write this as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So this 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 multiplied 1 by 4 log 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v plus this log c constant. Okay, now taking this here 4 LCM. Okay, so taking 4 LCM, and then here 2 is multiplied and cross multiplying, so 4 log x is equal to minus 2 log 1 minus v square minus log 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v plus log c. Okay, so now again what we do, log, now in this case this is of the form m log n. Okay, m log n, so it is can be written as log m raised to n, so it is log x to the power 4, log x to the power 4. Now again in this case bring this term here, this here, that it becomes plus 2 log 1 minus v square. Okay, then bring this term also here, so it is plus log 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v. Okay, now see this one is 4 log x, what it gives, log x to the power 4 plus 2 log 1 minus v square. Okay, then plus log 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v is equal to log c. Okay, so accept this log c, bring these two terms to this side, this minus becomes plus, this minus becomes plus. Okay, then this is 4 log x, means according to indices log x to the power 4, then plus again here m log n, so log 1 minus v square whole to the power 2, so it gives log 1 minus v square whole to the power 2, then plus log 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v. Okay, so again what it becomes, when you bring these two terms in this side, then it becomes log a plus log b plus log c. Then according to properties of logarithms, log a plus log b plus log c is equal to log abc. So log a means x to the power 4, b means 1 minus v square whole to the power 2, and into c means 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v is equal to log c, or both side log will cancel. So x to the power 4 into 1 minus v square whole to the power 2 into 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v equal to c. Now resubstituting the values of capital X, capital Y, okay, wherever it is, then we get v is equal to, because we have substituted y, capital Y is equal to v into small x. Okay, so therefore resubstituting the value of v and capital X, so v means capital Y divided by small x, so capital Y is equal to y minus 1 by 3, and x is equal to x plus 1 by 3, which is 3y minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1, and hence the solution is, and after all substituting all this value, x is equal to x plus 1 by 3 in this equation, and capital Y is equal to y minus 1 by 3, and v is equal to 3y minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1 in this equation, and we get the solution as this one. Okay, and simplifying we get this is the solution, final solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so this is how we solve the non-homogeneous differential equation method. You can apply any one method, just I told you because some people, some students, well, they will get easy to solve such problems, and therefore I have told all the three methods. Okay, you can apply any one method to solve these equations, to such type of equations. Okay, so with this I end up this session, and then I continue in the next class. And in the next class I'll take the next type of equation, that is linear equation. Okay, linear equation which is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q is equal to q. So where p and q are functions of x. So we continue in the next class. Thank you.